So today I will be making slime out of a lifesaver, and this is the only one. So I did this about 1,000,000 times, but it's alright. So guys, you know it's me, the sister from the sister channel, and my sister, she has her own phone, and I got my own phone for Christmas. So yeah, so this is the lifesaver I will be doing it from. So let's get started. So the first step is I'm gonna stretch it a lot. So it's gonna break a little.
Right here. Oh no.
So guys,
hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you my morning routine.
So yeah, I will be vlogging sometimes. So sometimes I will be vlogging, but this one is not a vlog. So we probably gonna do another video today.
So yeah.
So we both is doing a video at the same time. So guys, I will show you everybody in here. So that's my first cousin. That's my second cousin. That's my third cousin, and the rest of my cousins are gone. Yeah, so it's kind of forming to there. So just let you know, guys, this is edible slime, but you can add whatever you want. You can add anything you want to this slime. So I'm just, or like I won't do this in the microwave. I'm just telling you a new way to do it instead of in the microwave. So it's kind of forming.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing my morning routine.
But the next video today, we are going to do a morning. I'm doing a morning routine.
She's going to be in my morning routine. I'm going to be in her morning routine, but we is not on the same account. So
yeah, I'm gonna be in her morning routine. She gonna be in my morning routine. So yeah, we're gonna be in 2 videos at the same time on the same day. Yeah, we have an emoji power thing.
That's what
see, it's just like this. Let me see this. It's like this. We have it powers our phone, and you don't. It's only if you don't have a block piece. So I'm gonna be talking to you guys while I'm doing this.
Where you charge it like that, and you can put this on the charger too. You can put this on the charger too, just in case you go to it.
For me, guys, it's for me.
Making my phone charge, baby. It is charging. I gotta keep doing it.
So this is how it's looking so far. So let me make it, and then I will come back to you guys. So guys, it kind of did it. So I'm gonna really do that. Let's see how it's gonna go. Oh, it's kind of not getting sticky anymore. So this is my slime. So if you want, you can add borax to it, but I'm gonna keep it edible. So it's only if you want it edible. I'm vlogging right now, so excuse me. So,
Don't turn the bathroom light off.
whoa. Leave it alone. Because it's edible and I do not want your nasty fingers in my mouth. Okay?
I'm gonna be blowing.
So, like, we all got our own phone. So, this, at first, it was light blue. I mean, dark blue, but now it's light blue.
This is her phone. This is her phone.
So, we all got a phone for Christmas.
Not all of us.
Leave it alone.
My phone.
Well, this is my third phone I had.
This is like
For
mine.
one of them was for my birthday, the other one was for Christmas, and now this one for Christmas.
But I've been getting my phone. But I'm getting it.
Cause this is my third phone.
Okay, but that one was for Christmas. Cause you ain't open that was your present.
Like,
This one is for Christmas.
subscribe.
You slow. I just said you didn't get it for Christmas.
Get what for Christmas?
Phone.
Yes, I did. My mama gave it to me on Christmas Eve, and she said Merry Christmas when we was at Walmart. I always have to argue with this girl. She always try to say I'm wrong on everything.
All in my video.
I'm not crazy. So y'all, guys,
Yes, candy.
I know they know it's candy.
edible.
It's edible slime made out of candy.
I'm gonna tell them what the truth.
That is edible slime.
That's not
She
your
just
slime.
made that out of that candy. Them lifesaver candy.
She don't know what edible means.
Edible means something that you can eat.
You can eat like it's food.
Yes,
You think I don't know that? I watch Wendy.
So
it's Wendy, not Wendy,
I don't care. This girl always trying to correct me.
because it is correct.
You just don't know.
That's regular candy.
It's a lifesaver. I just sold them that at the beginning of
them that. You said.
So yeah, guys, it's called Here's the Song.
She did record a video.
Give me some.
It came out.
Skilla, you got me a piece of your slime.
Here's the Song.
Give me some.
Nope.
Skilla, you got
Hold on.
a piece of that slime?
Yep.
I get a piece.
Yeah.
Let me taste it.
Get that off.
Akira, y'all. You and Akira.
Which one?
You.
So yeah, guys, the slime is made.
Okay, everybody go in there and make a pad and watch TV in there.
Why?
Cause
I'm not going to sleep. She said, come in the living room.
Okay.
Everybody come in.
You gotta go in there too. Yes, you do, because you're not special.
I was in my room though.
Okay, down there.
Alright.
Come on, get some more.
Let me taste it. You didn't even let me.
How you get one?
Cause she was supposed to get me.
Mama said I'm getting.
No, don't go ask.
Bring me home.
She said everybody go in the living room.
Okay, I gotta get.
I'm about to hurry up and I got coming.
Why did you say that?
She ain't going in there.
So bye, guys. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like. Bye.